And then we get into our traditional common type roofs with the hip. This one's just got the 4 hips running up from the corner. The hip always bisects the corner on plan. And a little bit of a variation on the hip is if you had a perfectly square building, you would end up with the pyramid, which is just the 4 hips coming to a point in the middle of the roof. Then we have our hip and valley. So you don't see this too often because it's very rarely that the 2 wings of the building are the same width, which would give us a perfectly the roof the same size, the hip and valley. What we see more commonly is this situation where we have one wing of the building slightly narrower than the other one, and that gives us what we call a broken hip and valley, with this part here being the broken hip, because obviously it's not running full length down to the plate. So that's our broken hip and our valley in there. So then we get on to some combinations, if you like, of our